Hi friends, we'll wrap up by optimizing our AWS resources. We'll delete unused apps, endpoints, and buckets, ensuring efficient resource management. Additionally, we'll stop notebooks and other services to minimize costs. Let's tidy up and conclude our AWS journey on a high note.
So what we are going to do in our concluding lecture, we need to delete our endpoints. We need to delete the resources which are causing bills. Okay, so first thing what we can do, we can delete our app here in Amplify. Okay, so it is very straightforward. We can go here and we can just put here action. This is Amplify page. Just put delete app and just type delete. Okay, perfect. So this is deleted. Okay, so next thing what we can do, we can go in API gateway, and here also we can delete our app. So I already deleted that app, but you should also delete it. Next thing what we can do, we can delete our endpoint. So just click here and then this delete, put delete. Okay, it will delete. I think it's some issue, but it will delete. Okay. Another thing what we can do, we should delete this notebook instances because we'll get bill if we'll keep running. Just click here, action, stop. So we can stop here. So it will stop after a few minutes. Okay. You can go through your S3 section, and here if you'd like you can empty your bucket. Okay, so maybe we can try deleting that. So this is the bucket what we created. Let us try to delete that. Okay, what is saying deleting button cannot be undone, but I will delete that. So what we can do, we can always download our model, train model from the bucket before we delete. So model will be trained in the tar file, so we can always download it because we can use it later. But if we want to delete it, we can delete the bucket. Unnecessary, we need not to put the bucket which we are not using. So I'll type the name and just put delete. Okay, so that means this bucket is deleted.
Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey through AWS. Your enthusiasm and dedication have made this experience truly rewarding. Let's continue to explore and innovate together. Until next time, stay curious and keep pushing boundaries. We request support for child education and food supply. Your contribution can make a difference in their lives.